What is up?
It is cold.
We're at the Codorus Furnace in York County, close to York. Let's flip around and get a look at this thing. Oh man. It's pretty cool looking. It kind of looks like a face at the top up there, like a little mouth and eyes. I guess we'll look around here and then we'll go around the side. It's a little damp here. It's not too up. It's slippery. It's slippery. It's a little slippery. But here's what we're working with here. This thing's in really good shape. I mean, it's all intact. I don't see any major cracks yet. Hopefully, I mean, you see a couple cracks like right there. There's a crack. There's one on the other side of Becky here. But nothing too crazy. This is dug out, it looks like. Oh, you might be able to get my knee dirty. But I'll do it. Oh yeah, it goes in there. Wow, you could probably crawl in, but I'm not doing that. Let's go look around at the rest of this. I'm debating which side I should go check out first.
This side, because it doesn't go anywhere.
I say you can't go up this way, so we'll look at this little opening over here.
There's a little hole you might be able to
See if we see anything in here. Oh, it's got a little, this has a hole at the top area. Oh, it's super dark in there. It's a little room. Not too much stuff in there.
see if you can...
Yeah, it's not. Alright, let's see what else we got here. It's a furnace. Got some moss growing here. Alright, let's go around the other side. In front of these, this thing's pretty cool looking. This little thing right here. This one there. The other one's missing. The loop is there. But it doesn't have like the gear looking mechanism. I don't know if anybody can comment and let me know if they know exactly what that is. And I have a sticker stuck to my bean cap. What you see?
Bigger.
You can see in the side better.
Yeah, get my camera in further. I mean, my phone in further.
Yeah, it's still just, it's a dark little area. As I say, you can crawl in, but we're not doing all that. All right, we're gonna walk up this little trail and go to the back side and see what we see there. Check out them big steel rings around it. I don't know if those are probably added at a later date just to keep it like kind of like a brace, I'm thinking. There we go. It's in operation. In operation 1765 to 1850. The furnace was on operation from 1837 to 1850. It says cannons and shot was produced in the Washington Army during the Revolutionary War. Alright, let's go check out the other side. Hold on. Becky's already up there. She's doing it. Wow, just looking at it going up the hill. This thing is, let's say like 2 or 3, maybe 5, 6 stories tall. Now there would have been a ramp, probably made of wood, like a bridge from that side over to that cliff over there, where that other stone ledge is. It would take stuff up to that opening up there. But obviously we're not going to be able to get up there. Looks like it lost one of its rings. But yeah, right, see, you can see the opening. That's where the little bridge would have came across. And it would have came down right on this stone platform over here. And look at this, there might be some, I think we got some animals burrowing over here. Look how red this clay is here. I just wanted to look over here. See if we see anything. Oh, this is cool. There's a good view up here, Becky. See, back in the day, Becky, there would have been a little wooden bridge that would have came across from there to here. But yeah, it's still got a lot of the piping at the top there. There's your chimney, little chimney. But yeah, pretty neat. This is pretty much everything. There is a trail that goes up this way. Let's see if we see anything up here. Well, it came up to the top of that little trail, and there is a foundation here. You can kind of see a wall. Let's see if I can get over here. There's some, you know, there's a little bit of a wall right there. Be careful, Becky, because that might not be stable. But yeah, pretty crazy. Alright, I'm kind of like standing in the building, kind of like near the center. And as you can see, straight that way is the top of the furnace. So this would have been probably one of their working areas, probably one of their buildings that they used for doing stuff, which they had no use for it once they stopped using the furnace. Very nice wall at one time. They did a good job. Alright, I'm gonna head back down. Coming down the hill. Very crazy. Whoa. Alright, I'm back down at the side here. Let's take a quick peek over here. Basically just on the ledge here. Not much to see over there. There's Becky over there.
Hi, Jake.
Yeah. Oh man. Alright everybody. Hope you enjoyed this little video of this furnace. And remember, like, share, subscribe. Do it. Subscribe. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Yeah. Peace.